Calm down. Now your age mate, and then you can carry camera.
I will not watch any of you. I will not watch any senator here undermine my people. I will not have that. I will not have that. No senator here is worth more than my people. I will not tolerate that. 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 There is no problem. No. No, please, you guys should call the security of this place. Come, let's call everybody. I need this to be resolved. No. Give us which time. Let them give me the time. It will never happen that I will not be undermined. No, you guys, no. There's no problem. Whatever it will take, I will not be treated like second class.
I did not collect your phone. I know it's a dismissed senator of the federal.
No, there's no problem.
But wait, I am not in that office. So it's not like you think that I've collected your TC. I'm not in that office.
Mama.
I have your mate for my house.
There is no problem. That's where we're going to start. However it escalates, I'm ready. However it escalates, I'm ready.
Wait now. Where's the phone?
Any phone for let's go, Chris, now.
Someone is talking to you.
I'm simply going live on my social media.
No,
that's birthday. No, there is. I want to call now. I'm going to go live. Don't you question?
Why do you start this? Why are you crying? Why did you do that? You back somewhere else. Why would you say that? You can't start sharing to come here, my idiot. Your mother, come here, idiot. You start coming here. Go. You can't what is wrong with wait? Wait. Come. Wait. What the no? Stop.
Look at that. They have my phone. No. No problem. No, I'm not sitting on the chair.
Baba, slap somebody in my office. Who call you?
This is
No, just
fight.
look at that. This is the first time.
Hello?
No. Let him give you the phone. No, you can't tell me what.
Okay. Okay.
I'm telling you. That's all about now. When you so stay in your way. No house, wait. No, I'll tell you. Are you mama? Why are you fighting your pistol?
What is the meaning of this? Who are you? I'm not fighting anybody. You fight.